Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add polls on Discord. So let's get started. Go to your internet browser and find this bot. It's called Carl.gg. So after you have found him, log in with Discord. After you have successfully logged in, authorize this part. After you have done that, well, I recommend leaving this on because, well, you can turn some of this off, but it might mess up the bot. So just, in my opinion, don't. Click this, confirm you're human. Now he should be in your server. Yep, he is in my server. So now you can do is, well, type /Paul question and let's ask, is the earth round? And you can just do this, and now this is a simple, pretty much yes or no question. Well, where people can vote yes or no. Now if you want multiple choice questions, do the same thing again. But after you have done, well, typed your question, click tab and choose choices. And now you have, well, let me just, so it makes more sense. And I don't know. And as you can see, now you have multiple choices. It's that simple. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.